Do you want to add photos to Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: add photos to Amazon Echo Show. To access settings on the Echo Show, swipe down from the top, select Settings, then Home and Clock. From there, you can make changes to the home content and clock. You can also ask the device to customize My Clock to access these options directly. The options are categorized into recent clocks, personal photographs, modern, playful, photography, and classic. For personal photos, you can change the background through the background setting in Home and Clock. You can choose either the Alexa app photo or Amazon Photos. For other Echo Show devices, you swipe down and select Settings, then Wallpaper and Clock. This section offers fewer customization options than the Echo Show 5. You can choose from Amazon Photos, App Photos, Travel, Art, Nature, Illustration, and Minimal themes. To set up your own photos, download the Amazon Photos app. Then you need to upload your photos and create albums. Now, in the Wallpaper and Clock section or similar settings, select your album and the photos will display on your device. For single photos, you can use the Alexa app to upload directly to your Echo Show. Night mode and other clock settings are available on all devices. For the Echo Show 5, these are found under Home and Clock, and for other models under Wallpaper and Clock. You can schedule night mode to dim the display at specific times or have it done automatically. To change home content like weather and news, go to Settings. Now select Home Content, where you can customize what appears on your screen. And there you have it, the method to add photos to Amazon Echo Show. We hope this method has worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.